our time is spent at work, in school, office, or home, but it is a poor day that offers us no time at all to spend how we like, and the way we spend those few hours that we have to ourselves differs from person to person. In these days, quite a considerable part of people's free time is spent in watching television. Before the coming of television, people spent more time with the wireless. Before the wireless came, there was the moving picture, and before that, there were books. All these ways of spending time now exist together, and we have many ways of keeping ourselves interested. It has always been considered respectable to read books. To read was to learn, and getting knowledge was good thing. Para, dear sir, with reference to your letter of the 10th instant, I am now getting on as quickly as possible with the arrangements for the conference to be held here in September this year. Para, I am very pleased you were able to make such satisfactory arrangements with the hotels, and arrangements with them are now almost complete. We shall be able to fix accommodation for 50 members, and up to the present we have 43 names on our list. I do not think it wise, however, to close the list just yet, as there may be some members who have not yet decided whether they wish to come or not. I therefore propose that we close the list finally on August 4th. Para, at the meeting of the committee held yesterday, it was decided to invite the mayor and interested members of the council to the first meeting of the conference. The members of the committee desired to say how much they appreciate the assistance you are giving in the organization of the conference, and expressed the hope that you will be able to make arrangements to be present at some of the functions. If not all, we are sure you will be able to give us your reply in this connection by return of post, so that we may make necessary arrangements with the members to the conference. Para, we anxiously await to your reply with kind regards. Yours sincerely,